Okay, for a lot of students, these appear to be tricky, but certainly I don't recognize that antiderivative. And so what I do is I would try something. And what I would try probably initially is just to hope that this would work over here, that 1 plus the root of x. And someone says, well, you don't see the derivative of that in the problem. And that's true. I don't see it. So what I'm going to do is I'll manipulate a little bit, and I'll write down u minus 1. Oops, sorry about that. So u minus 1 would equal the root of x. And certainly what I'm going to do now is I'm going to square both sides. And what do you get? U minus 1 squared is equal to x. And now I'm going to do my derivative now. So what do you get? You get 2 u minus 1 to the first power. Well, the derivative of the inside is just 1, so I'm just going to put du down. And what's this on the other side? It's going to be dx. All right? So I think I'm seeing it. And let's write this down now, all right? So put this over here. I'm going to try to move to the land of u's. I like to use a star. And what do I see? I see 1, and 1 plus the root of x is just u. And what's dx? Well, if I'm looking at dx, dx is just 2 u minus 1 du. Now, granted, you may look at this and be confused, but I need to simplify it. I'm going to pull a 2 out. And you would get u minus 1 over u, which would be 1 minus 1 over u. All right, before I move too quickly, I want to make sure that you understand when I pulled the 2 out, and u minus 1 over u would be 1 minus 1 over u. All right? So the question now becomes, can I integrate that? And I can. And I'll put this down for you. So it's going to be 2. It's going to be u minus the natural log of u, the absolute value of that, plus some constant of integration. That's in the land of u's. Let's go back to the land of x's. And what do you see there? Let's write this down. You get 2. Well, what's u? It's 1 plus root x minus the natural log of the absolute value of 1 plus root x plus c. All right, it's a fine answer, but I do want to simplify it a little bit. And what do you see over there? You get 2 plus 2 root x minus 2, the natural log. Well, 1 plus root x is always positive, so I can remove the absolute value symbol, and then plus c. And what I notice is over here is that, you know, I can combine these two constants together to just make some final constant out of it. All right, so I'm going to call this c1, and now I'm going to put another one down, a little simpler answer over here, 2 root x, you see that, minus 2, natural log, 1 plus root x, and now I'm going to use my second constant, which is actually c1 plus 2. I'm just going to call it c2, another constant. Put a box in this, and I'll look at the k. And this is typical of multiple choice exams. They try to trick you with this, and look for it. See if you got it. All right, practice. Do I have this? I do. Do I have this? I do. And do I have this? I have another constant there. Yes, I do. Thank you.